Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of backup on the application of Remitly app. You will click on settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will go down until you find this window of Remitly app. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.